Namaskar. Today we are going to talk about very common health issue that can sometimes come very suddenly. It is loose motion or diarrhea. It can make a person panic. But don't worry, I will give you 5 simple and natural remedies that you can try at home. Our first remedy is black seeds or Kallonji oil. This traditional remedy has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Mix half teaspoon of a black seed oil with a teaspoon of honey and consume it twice a day. This mixture will soothe your digestive system and promote healing. Second remedy, Musta or Nagermotha powder. Ayurveda recommends this Musta or Nagermotha powder has anti-diarrheal property. Mix 1 teaspoonful of Musta powder with a glass of warm water and consume twice a day. It can help reduce loose motion and restore balance in your digestive system. Our third remedy is a mixture of buttermilk and fenugreek seeds. Buttermilk is a probiotic-rich beverage, restoring of balance of gut bacteria. So here, add a teaspoonful of fenugreek seeds in a glass of buttermilk and let it sit for a few hours. Drink this mixture a few times in a day to help regulate bowel movements. Next, let's consider pomegranate, anar, a colorful fruit that is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Pomegranates are known for their natural astringent properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the intestines and provide relief from loose motion. Eat 1 pomegranate daily until your symptoms reduce. Lastly, rice water. This might be an unexpected remedy, but it has been used for centuries to heal digestive issues, including loose motion. While cooking rice, collect the leftover water after cooking. Allow it to cool, strain it, and drink it throughout the day. Rice water helps bind the stool and provides relief. While trying these natural remedies, it's essential to remember a few things. If you have loose motion can cause excessive fluid loss and this can lead to dehydration. Make a homemade oral rehydrating solution. Have 1 liter of boiled clean water. Add 5 to 6 teaspoonful of salt. Add 5 to 6 teaspoonful of sugar in that. Sip this liquid throughout the day. You may add some lemon also inside, which will make still more healthy for your gut. In a day, you may also take coconut water. When you have diarrhea, eat only homemade, easily digestible food. Oily or spicy food can irritate your digestive system. Wash your hands thoroughly after using the washroom. Give your body enough time to recover by giving good rest. Sleep during day also. Keep lying down during day and at night. And this way allow your body to heal. Once your symptoms subside, go slowly to your normal diet from a bland diet. This will not put stress on your digestive system. Try to find out any specific triggers that cause the loose motion. It could be some food you ate or water you drank. Stay away from such triggers in future. Also, avoid drinking water and even eating raw salads from open food stalls. In this way, you will be able to protect yourself from stomach infection. You must take some medical guidance if you have severe pain or fever along with your diarrhea. Remember, it is important to take good care of yourself, especially in the monsoons and when the seasons change. So eat sensibly, don't eat food from outside, and improve your general gut condition. Take care of yourself, become aware of what is going into your mouth. It has to be hygienic. Eat homemade food, which should be clean and cooked food, nothing raw, and that would help resettling your gut health. So try and take care of yourself. Basically, it's in such a rainy season as well as in Ritu Sandhi, when 2 seasons come together. Take care. Namaskar.